I am a promise. I am a possibility. I am a promise. Promise
with the
capital.
I am a great, great bungalow and sensuality. Yo! And that take a performance on Elephant Man show. That song.
I will have to big up Elephant Man.
Every time.
Blessing pan blessing.
Every time.
Big up the dubs.
Ninja
Kid, my friend. Ninja Kid.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast. And today, we have two very special guests in the building. You know, we have in the building today, we have Skeng and Boysie Roses in the building today. What's going on, gentlemen?
Remember, when you say Boysie Roses, you have to describe me as the legend.
Yeah.
The legend Boysie Roses.
No, the living legend.
Boysie Roses.
You see it there.
Wagwan Canada, Wagwan, legend of the place. Over 18 years, I'm in the place back again. It's a good feelings. Believe me, Muscle. Enjoy the past couple of days here, and I'm still enjoying myself. Right now, I reach a 2-line radio station, and I still enjoy myself.
Yeah. But this is your first time in the place?
Yeah, man, my first time, man. But Ronnie could be my... I'm always a there. I'm like Ronnie, you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So you do the something go on.
Yeah, man. I know you guys flew in for the big show, the return of Elephant Man after I think it was 10, 15 years or a long time.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I mean, what was that like now actually performing? Because this is your first time, Pata.
Yeah.
And this is you after 18 years and returning with Elephant. So it's like one big celebration altogether. You understand? What was the show like? What was that vibe like in Toronto?
First, we have a big up Forward Entertainment who make it possible for the whole of we to be here. They put in a good and hard work to make us here. And the experience for me, this is a history. For me, Boysie as a legend, because this is my first time performing with Elephant Man internationally.
Okay.
So this is like one of the biggest moments in my life. If you know, some share stage with Elephant Man in Canada, in Toronto, Canada, as a legend. And I'm grateful for that. And the experience was amazing. From the airport in Jamaica to the airport in Toronto to the hotel to the show. It's just maximum love and respect all the way, man. Forward Entertainment do a good job, believe me, brother.
From jump.
Yeah. So that's Boysie giving in stocks and how I experienced this 18 years I've not been here.
Yeah.
And so much fun and enjoyment, man.
Yeah.
We travel with Skeng and Elephant Man anytime I'm alive.
Yeah.
I swear.
For sure.
Yeah.
How about you, Pata? How was the vibe?
The vibes. Remember, I mean, Boysie the legend of Parry, you understand? I remember me is a younger generation, you know what I mean? So it's just a vibe, say, a par with them and out in a roll with them. So you can't get no better than that. It's just greatness, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
I seen you guys take on some fest stage, only dance everywhere, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
A lot of artists give away the support. Skeng make it possible for we and Masicka can perform 2 to 3 times per Reggae Sumfest.
Definitely.
You see me?
Yeah, man.
There's a lot more artists that we perform on Reggae Sumfest with. I perform with Bounty Killer and Reggae Sumfest.
Yes.
My first time performing with Bounty Killer Swing and Ireland thing there. Me and Ice, rest in peace to Ice, and a dancer named Not Nice. So I've been performing with a lot of artists, not internationally. Yeah, internationally also, and also at Reggae Sumfest.
Yeah. So I just the unity we was setting, we have a thing in Jamaica we name unity, and it's a thing. And I like say the unity is just a pick a side thing. It's just you have Boysie, you have
one link, man. Everybody.
Get the squad with the energy kid. You know what I mean? Hold it more gabby down. You understand? So I just the vibes that we bring, and we just bring happiness. You understand? And it can't get no better than that. You see me? I say we just out here put in the work and I keep relevant, you know what I mean?
Sure.
And I want to greatest thing. And me as a younger generation, I represent for the youth them where come up and do them thing. You understand what I say? And a whole heap of youth there in Jamaica right now where never come to Canada and want come one day. You understand what I say?
This is the prince.
So we just have to just know say, yo bro, like all a look alike and an echo. Whole heap of youth in the street a dance. I want them get a look here because when we just a dance and I do my thing, me still that put in the work, but I don't say one day they go come, but we want them feel plain. You understand? For no say, because when them go out in a world, them are going to see back the love what them get. So sometimes when you have people in an argument, you don't even want in an argument with people.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Straight
definitely, bro. So
No,
I
man,
just them thing.
because you see the thing with it, I know one time the Skankas was like a big part of dancehall. It was Skankas,
Still.
artists. No, but hold on,
Yeah.
Skanka,
Still, you have to call it
artists,
still.
and song. No, but this was, I'm talking like from weddy days. Okay, you see that 18, 20 years ago?
Yeah.
That was when it was thinking it kind of faded for a bit. But you see, right now,
Yeah.
it seems like the Skanka them really take on back the place. Because even the music kind of slowed down.
Yeah.
So then you see, because it kind of sped up a bit,
Yeah.
now is where you guys get to get the highlight again in
Yeah,
dancehall.
man.
Yeah,
Definitely, man.
definitely.
And all of that hard work, same way.
Yeah, man.
Hard work and dedication to what we do. Dedicated ourselves to what we do. You understand? So remember, if we are not part of it, it's not going to be it. So the dancer them have to be a part of it.
Yeah, man.
So
100%.
without we to put the work into this, the music that the artists them create, the music not gonna establish the way it's supposed to establish. So our energy what we put to the music what them create, it's just all how we work together as one. Artist, selector, skankers. Yeah, man.
That brings the whole party vibes right there.
Definitely.
Yeah, man,
You
definitely,
understand?
man. We are saying-
Well,
Definitely.
energy one time.
That make all a selector who not even be a big selector just become a big selector.
Yeah, man.
Because you
yeah,
have
man.
control of us and the dance floor. So just play what we want here, and it go for we, and it goes for you.
Everybody wins.
Everybody win.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can't have the two of you guys in here without actually asking you for a little bit of each other's history. Because I know with you, Pata, it was really Gabidan that really got you into the dancing on the floor. And
Yeah.
I know with you, Boysie,
Yeah.
obviously that was Father Bogle. I know
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
You know what I
yeah,
mean?
yeah.
Yeah,
The legendary Bogle.
Yeah.
Rest in peace to my brother, my king, my God.
Yeah.
Bogle, a.k.a. Gerald Levy, a.k.a. Mr. Wacky, a.k.a. Cheapella.
Yeah.
And me done that.
Yeah.
Football, me I play, I meet him. Football, me I play, and him come forward over the wall, and him reach on the football field. Him organize a team, and I be a part of the team.
Definitely.
But we don't know each other. But I know him, because that's Bogle. I only see them man up on TV. So if you see me start rub shoulder with him on the field, play ball and give, when the ball game start, me give Bogle all of the football. Rest I play them, I say, we are playing team. I say, yeah, man, don't worry yourself, man. All of the football. I say, if I never give him all of that football, I wouldn't get this chance. Because all of that football, him turn to me and say, Soldier, I never know you can play ball. I say, I never know you could have played ball. I know you as a dancer.
Yeah.
So him say, you don't worry yourself, man. You want to party with me? I say, big man, me a 12-year-old, Man, so well, it's up to you what you want to do, so me broke the rule for the 12-year-old. When me a guy my yard, after the football game, that way the man ask me, dep on my mind, all the way till me reach home, say, hear me in my mind, how me I go tell my mother this? As a 12-year-old, say, Bogle invite me out. So, my mother, the thing is that my mother do a night shift. See? So, when she a step out, me a step out too. So when she go left, me go right. So the thing is that when me step out behind her, come wait till she leave out, then she go left and me go right. Left her to her work, right her to Bogle house, me I go, So when me reach a Bogle house, yeah man, reach at the house and find where him live, and come not know where man living, and my Bridget, me have to ask, show me the gate, I'm going there, and I tell me, say, yo, Soldier, you reach? Me say, yeah, man, you invite me, what you expect? So that invite where the man give me bread, I believe him, man. Wake him up and tell him, say, yo, me there, and him, I said, no problem, man, me I go get ready. Then when the man go back to sleep again. 4 hours before me see why the man come through the door. So it was a history. They went to a party with him, forgot about my mother, coming home from work. When me come out of the club as a morning, some start stress out here, Bogle to me, what's wrong with you? I say, my mother. Him say, what to your mother? I say, she gonna kill me. So, that's how my history starts from with Bogle.
From right
Believe
there.
me,
And
from
you,
right
Pata.
Oh, what the whole Gabby situation. Yeah, man, let me just jump out, what Gabby did out there, you know what I mean? With the Get There squad said way. Because, Gabby done and the Get There squad are one merch said way. So, when I just come out, them really embrace my talent, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And it's a blessing, because so it go, So we still have to speak up Gabby Dan.
Yeah, man.
And just show, and not just even Gabby, we have to just say Boysie and anybody will embrace
believe in
Pata
him.
Skin.
We believe in
You
him.
understand what I say?
We
so we
always
just
see
have
him talent,
Yeah,
so the first time.
Yeah.
We believe in it.
Yeah, so I
First
just
time.
I just see the man first time.
Yeah,
We just walk me the gate for him. I said, go on through it.
Yeah, and it's a joy for those who
Guys,
say
the man
them.
bring something different.
And it's a joy for those say them embrace my talent.
Yeah, man.
So it's a blessing, you know what I mean? And it can't get no better than that, you see me? So we just have to just, in my dancing thing, we just have to bring happiness to the people, them.
Yeah.
And just bring the real dancing to the people. Them. You understand what I mean? I say, I can't, as a youth, right, in the younger generation, I can't lead them in a type of way. And sometimes when the youth them do something, we can't even beat them. We just have to just kind of reason with them or call them and talk to them certain way. Because sometimes when you do it over the internet, it's like them young and come up, so if them feel like you try to embarrass them. So sometimes you try to get them number and say, all right, and I saw it for go, So sometimes when I deal with the situation that way, it more better. You understand what I say, boys?
True.
Because when me da jump out, me never have no dance with it look half key and them thing. But you know my dancing is a friendly type of dancing. You understand? And big up boys them, and big up Gabby than them, and big up the girls them. Cause if I never the girls them, God go with me. Yeah, so you know the vibes. And they say them one.
No, man, because one thing I always wanted to know is like, boss, Skeng and them don't get tired. I see you guys start
Never.
from
No.
nighttime to
Never.
daytime and not stop,
Never.
boss.
Never.
Okay, so if you don't get tired, what is the secret why you don't get tired? What is it that you do to actually keep that energy going all night?
All right, no. Big up boys, because you know boys don't drink. Is
That
boys
is what
a
keep
rig.
my secret.
Yeah, you
Don't
understand.
drink.
But look on this now. Remember, say I told you we are leaving. You understand? And we still take the time out to come to the interview before we leave, because we take our work serious, because at this change with life.
Yeah.
Me no do agriculture, me no do plumbing, me no do welding, me no do nothing, me do this me know about. Say if me don't take this serious, how me have a plate of, how me can help my family and help me. You understand what I say? Boys, so we have to take this serious. Say the moment something around this stuff will make we go up on a level, we are gonna push towards it. No sleep for the
No,
no
the thing about we dancing and non-stop, sometimes we sleep before we jump out. So when we jump out fresh. Can't go back to the next 8 o'clock at night again.
I don't know how, boss, when you see the...
Yo,
I
when
get
they
tired
talk-
of
when they
watching
talk-
the
when they talk about
DVDs,
don't sleep,
boss.
Bogle.
Yeah.
Yo, when they talk about don't sleep, you don't know how Bogle do it, You don't know, say me and Bogle leave party at morning time. It's like we're reaching in 7. And Bogle wake up 8. I would just come off for 15 hours, And the man wake up 8. So me I wonder, why Bogle keep on awake so early? So one morning me just stay back for say, I want to see the 8 o'clock wait here, Wake up here, You know, so me did it. I'm just see a line of school children there at the gate and see them outside. And me I say, what them school pick me up for? Never know, say, at this the man wake for come give them lunch money. People, kids, unemployed people, kids,
Yeah.
line up out at the man gate and wait for lunch money for go to school. And the man make himself wake 1 hour after 15 hours just to come make sure them kids are going to school.
That was his secret to staying up and really doing what he needed to do.
Yeah, man, him believe in the youth them, man. Him believe in the youth them. That's how me have an opportunity in life. Because me go run Bogle as a youth. As me tell you, say, the man invite me a road and me tell him me at 12. So me believe that, me respect that this is a Bogle have me, take me inside and show me that love and respect as a youth. But yet still him still tell me say, yeah, I forgot school. See?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
as a 12, when me tell you, when my mother see me come home after 6, as a 12-year-old, alone beaten, brother.
Yeah.
Low and beaten, me I tell you, say, all me tell woman say, a Bogle me go to do man say, you're liar, they can't go amongst them people, hold them here. Pop. Take on me little 1 pants, and me 1 shot I left me in a brief. 2 years me not see what Bogle for.
Yeah. Crazy, boss.
If me forget history about me, father, you got to take 2 days.
Yeah.
Because end of the day, I write a book, First dancer to ever write a book.
Okay.
I'm going to write a book called The Inside of Black Roses. The book sold out 4 times. Europe, internationally wise, sold out 4 times. I don't put it on Amazon, and I'll do a launch. I just start advertise it, and the book sold out.
Sold out. Nah, man, definitely. Hold that point 1 second. There's something I want to ask him before we get back to that point. There's a couple of things I want to know. But, because you said you're more new generation dancer and stuff, because I remember watching an interview, and you said Boysie, Bogle, and these people is who you looked up to.
Yeah.
And to see you sitting beside Boysie
That's-
after doing a big show with it, You know what I mean?
Yeah,
When did you know that you really boss? Was it a dance? Was it a moment? When did you really know?
All right.
Boss, my boss, I know.
All right. When me just come out in the street, me have a dance named Pata Shake. So you know when you build a dance, it go right out of the airport and spin back, you know, go through the airport. But you see, 2018 to 2019, when I make the dance named Touch with the American song,
Yeah, man.
me said, Jesus Christ.
That past the airport.
Hungry, me no want to see hungry again, you know. That, you see when me see that, hungry, me say hungry. Go on. And if you know, say, my boss from 2018 to 2019 and there, you know, with boys them, coming up fight to be hot, you know. I fight to be relevant and consistent. That's why I can live around here with legend and not for the youth them. Because sometimes we have to understand, you know, each and every day, somebody got boss, you know. You understand? But if you keep this relevant here, something here, you understand what I mean? I say? It's all just blessing, you know what I mean? And
100.
what you think about it, boys, it can't get no better than this. Because if them say the top 10 dancer, the top 20 dancer, it no matter if Potter Skeng name call in the last 20s. What's my name call? I grateful
Yeah,
for
right.
it. Blessings.
Even you boys, when do you know you're really boss? Because you said you went out when you're 12, your mom took away your clothes, 2 years you didn't see back Bogle. When do you know say you're really boss? Especially amongst big man like Bogle and Ice and Willy Haggart and them man. Yeah.
When we get my break, it was 2004. In Vice Mail sing, it's a jiggy time again. So big up to Vice Mail, rest in peace to O'Neill Vice Mail. So 2004 is when we get my actual break. Understand? But people knows boys from 90s coming up with Bogle to 2000. But the break come through 2004 with Vice Mail. And I want to tell you, so when we go and meet up with Vice Mail and me and Bogle, the song was only about Bogle, and Bogle said to them, oi, you have to refix back that script here. And you have to say Boysie. And Boysie have to walk with the bunks. And you have to follow Boysie and bunks. So all Boysie be a part of that is all courtesy of Bogle. Yeah, man.
That was really the godfather.
Yo, brother, I don't know what, but I think it's the loyalty that I show Bogle that much, make him make so much opportunity for me. Yeah, man, because I'm loyal that much to him. When I go in bed, I have to give him I have to be the last person to heal him up. When him wake, I try to be the first person him see and said, Boysie, the day. That's how much I love that brother. From heart. That's why I choose to carry that legacy here with me. I definitely choose, and I'm really happy I've carried this legacy of this man with me, believe me.
Carried 100%.
Yeah, man.
But what are some of the dances that you actually brought to the dance hall that people can look and say, you're dancer?
All right. The one with Lolly, not regular bird, that one there Mansa, the one with Dip.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, me do a song with Ding Dong too. And Touch.
Want to do a Woody?
Woolly. You understand what I say? Yeah, man, Woolly, man. Rich Thump with Chris Gale. Woolly, man. You understand what I say? You don't know, we're just grateful for everything we were doing, bros. You see me? And we just go and put in the work.
Put in the work.
Yeah,
And I
dance
keep
move
it.
him create.
Yeah.
When you not even know how him create it.
Yeah, you understand?
Your Sanitary Road.
Yeah. Yeah, you know them way there?
Yeah.
Me just write the song and you sing it because I can't sing another tone there.
Well, you know this dance is right that, but even that too. Do you guys practice something at home, or is just when you go on the road, you already have in your mind
That's the
what
beat,
you want?
man.
Man, at the beat,
The first
we
beat
don't
to it, we
practice
know
all
where
that
we can do, man.
Yeah.
From the sound of the beat, we just know say.
See, if I send the beat, the body attract the beat and we just
react.
the body just show you what to do to that beat. Yeah. So the beat make all the way create moves. No beat, no moves.
Because sometimes you see all 3, 4, 5 skanker lineup doing the exact same dance. It's like, how do they know? It's almost like
All right,
you guys practice
that
all
is
week.
practicing.
Okay, so
That
it is
practicing
practicing.
right there.
Yeah.
When you see the coordination, that's practicing right there.
practicing,
All we practice to do, go at the same time, same flow, and everything, you know. So that part is practicing. But as a solo dancer, you don't have nobody to practice but your own self. So when you hear the beat, you just start move to it, try to create something for it.
Because I know you guys do workshops too. I think you were in Europe doing a workshop.
Yeah.
And you do some workshops also.
Always.
The world.
Yeah.
Always. Yeah, man. My first time doing workshop, I traveled to Germany, Mannheim. I was in Munich. And that's my first time. And I lost my mom that time also.
Whoa.
I lost the passing of my mom that time. The first time I traveled to Europe, my mom passed away. So all that tour,
Just
work out good. It's come have end up reverse and go back home. So after that, the blessing just continued. I end up go to Europe 7 times, you know. And it's not just Europe alone. I go instruct with people. It's over the world because Russia. We go Russia. We go Chile. We go South Korea. We go US, Canada, England.
What?
Yo, I almost go like. It's like people have just asked me where I don't go.
Yeah. Come from you saying place like Russia and
Yeah,
South
man.
Korea, boss?
Russia love
Or
dancehall.
skanking, boss?
Yeah, man. Dancing can be over the world, man.
yeah,
It's
man,
not,
dancing, man.
it's
Very
not
powerful.
artists. It's not violence. It's not athlete. It's dancing.
Yeah.
Can be all over the world. And but believe me, it's surprised to see that when I'm in South Korea, and we have over 80 people in the room, in the studio. Me and energy, my brother energy, the dance. I get there. We and him go there, and believe me, brother, if you see we have so much people,
And the joy.
so much Korean people
Yeah.
dancing to our culture, they not understand the words, but them understand the beat.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the more understand the message coming from the feet and the body. So, but tell some people say we as a dancer, we go some place where even Jamaican artists them not go.
Listen, you're talking Russia and South Korea. I've never really heard somebody, a dancer artist, performing in Russia and South Korea.
Yeah, man, all Ukraine. Even Ukraine where Russia kill off, we all that's how we end up to, man. Teach the culture right now.
Yeah.
We bring the culture all over the world, man. Believe me, Switzerland one of my favorite place. Switzerland and Barcelona.
Yeah.
So I've been to Holland, Scotland, Poland, Finland. I've been to all of Europe.
That's crazy. And are you, Pata, where have you been in Europe?
Well, the first film, go Germany, Cologne.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The first time at the place, I'm go Belgium. I think I'm go Amsterdam. And what again? A couple places. I remember some just got Europe, someone who know the name them, you know. Me just know
happy to be
say,
there.
yeah, are Europe me there?
Yeah, there's a place in Europe that I went to called Lipstead. It's in Germany, bro. I'm the only black man walking in this place. Believe me. I have people like driving and like almost crash looking back like, what the hell?
Yeah.
Even in Russia. All right, in Russia, they take me to an ice hockey game. My first ice hockey game. And it's like 5,000 to 4,000 people in the stadium. And I am the only black man in this stadium. When I look, I'm on the monitor. But Russia, they don't show you racism like that, but they stare you down. As a black person, they stare you down, look at you like... Because I travel from Siberia to Kazan to Samurai to Petersburg to Moscow. You understand? So, dancing door that, Mr. Bogle.
That's wild, boss. And why do you think places like Europe, Japan, and those places really embrace the skanking and the dancing, especially dancehall vibes? What is it about?
Yeah, they embrace the culture of dancehall and reggae. It was Japanese the first... Japanese is the first tourist that gravitate to dancehall that much from way back, from in the 90s, 80s. Japanese, them gravitate to dancehall. And you have the European, them gravitate to reggae. You understand? But to see now things change and that the Europeans gravitated to dancehall a lot more now, yo, that's amazing because Bogle look at me and tell me, say, Boysie, you see this dancehall dancing that I created? You're going to see how far it's going to go. See? You're not going to believe. Someone look at the man and say, what are you talking about? The man said, brother, this dancing that I created is going to be so far in the world. Somebody say, how can you predict the future? Are you God? Brother, when me live is him now, say me have to teach people from Egypt. Now me understand what the man that talk about, brother, when me teach people from Egypt, bro. Israel. Yo, they want me to fly from Europe to Israel to Jordan, I couldn't.
Yeah.
Australia want me to fly from Europe to Australia, I couldn't. It's too long.
Yeah.
It's too long, believe me. Anywhere it's too long for me, I am not going.
You
Once
don't
it pass-
really like the flying too much.
Brother, when they pass 20, how can I fly for 20 hours?
In the sky.
We have to reject a lot of places. Believe me, we have to reject a lot of places. And when we look on the journey, we have to really reject that. So, yo, I'm not available.
Because you know what's even interesting too is to see a legacy where Bogle left. Remember, he didn't fly to Germany and all these
So like
places.
that, me and tell us
You
everyone
understand
say-
the fact that you took it and then you could even carry it even further now. You as the new person right now, Pata. You understand? That's interesting. I'm pretty sure you've never even met Bogle one day in your life.
No.
You understand? And to understand that you get to live off your legacy, boss.
True.
Bro.
Yo, bro.
That's
And
a
him show maximum respect to Bogle too, and him don't make Bogle, but him know say that's the king.
Yeah.
That's the king. So anybody who can be a part of dancehall dancing and you don't know Bogle, go back home and start. over.
Yeah, and
Do your research.
anybody who in a Bogle and Boysie, I would call it now, in a year era, we have to respect them because them play a big part too. You understand what I say?
Johnny Blast,
Johnny, Shelly Belly. You understand?
Sadiq, Snowman.
You understand? So,
Ski, you know.
yeah, so
of them are
if
legend.
we call them next year, we're going to stop. So, we just have to give thanks, man. I just know, say, we just have to go and put in the Boysie. And it's a joy for know, say, me a tour. I'm like the energy, I'm like the vibes. You just can't get no better than that, you know what I mean? And I just blessing. I'm blessing.
What was it like when you got the phone call from Elephant say, yo, Canada? What was that like for both of you guys to know?
You know what
we're
say-
going on the road with Ellie.
You know, say the phone call never come from Ellie, it come from Forward Entertainment.
Forward entertainment, yeah.
So big up Tracy, and they say the phone call. I want to tell you, say, Tracy, me and Tracy talk about this from last year. From last year, Tracy, I talk about this, say, yo, we got to bring you to Canada with Elephant Man, you know. In Forward Entertainment saying all of this to me from last year. And me I said, yo, when the time come here, because me not going to believe until it's close to the but when me see she
And worse
con-
than it's 18
when me
years
see she
ever been
contact
there,
me and say, yo, get your passport, send to such and such person. Me I say, what?
Here.
Canada, I'm ready. So, big up to Tracy.
Yeah, man, big up Tracy, man.
And you know, in my heart, if you see me, I go travel with the dupes, Energy God, Elephant Man.
A blessings, man.
blessing.
Blessings.
Yeah, because energy will come up next week. Energy will
Energy come up in a June, man.
in a June. Oh,
Get
Cool
your
Kid
squad.
and
Cool Kid will come the
Nitty.
end of this month.
Yeah,
So
fair
we got
part.
Cool Kid and Nitty, two other dancers following up in this
Yeah,
month.
yeah,
For
yeah.
K Music Party.
Yeah.
You know, so big up to my brother and my sister.
No, it's right now. The street dancer them.
Yeah.
Canada's his best friend.
Yes, man. I swear. Yo, one place can be beautiful.
Yo,
One place can be beautiful and nice. So.
Yo, you
Canada.
saw when we are come to Canada, all 15 now within a one plane.
Well, listen,
Me see it come back.
I see how the man them roll out heavy still.
Yeah, man.
But you see what it seems like. You see when you guys are in the streets,
Yeah, man.
there's so many dancers and skankas. You have to really work hard to really get a name out there. Because a lot of times you see the videos, you don't really know who's who, you know. Boss.
Yeah.
Until they really get on you. Oh,
Yo, you said the right thing, man. You have to
Yeah,
work hard.
that's why we them have to work hard, you know. But that's why we me and Boysie can tell you say you have whole heap of youth at Jamaica where maybe them not big like Boysie or Pata Skeng, but them
work,
out there
man.
put in the work.
Them a put in the work,
And we
man.
can just there have to tell them say all right now, just look out for them there.
man.
That's why me I tell you say Echo and
Them
look alike
look-alike.
at them for them moment now when we want to see
Yeah.
them they are foreign.
All right.
Yeah, man.
And them are put in the work.
Yeah, man.
You understand me? I say, and just time still, you know.
Balance,
Cannot not be
balance,
time, you know.
of
course.
Because you can't force certain things on the people, you know. But me just I say, so look alike and Echo, I feel them hear this,
Yeah.
and I believe in them, and I just want them go and put in the work, and I got them good road. But you see,
Yeah, man,
man,
remember me tell you, say, you know, remember me not get my break, you know. Remember me know Bogle from 92, you know. I me never get my break until 2004, you know.
That's 12 years.
Try
boss.
know that, and that it was 12 years of achieving nothing. But the love and the loyalty keep me going. One time my mother look at me and tell me, say, yo, you better stop dancing, you know. Because nothing now benefit from that, you know. You know, get the table empty, you know. So you need to go get a job. I say, mommy, you know, say, have faith in me.
all right, you see that drama there I go through? Yeah, when I just get my baby mother pregnant, you know? You don't know it go. My mom living at the garrison. Me I do my dancing thing. Me now no money. You don't know it though. I still live with my mother and them thing there. I get her pregnant, she I say, all right. You know, see, you have to go look at 95 and them thing. And me I say, this year do. Which me now no problem with a 95 car. You know, you have to put me and I say at the
But
same
you
time
have
say,
to jump
we
out.
come back to where me I tell you, say, me don't know about nothing. We just know say this is going to change my life. But still I say, boss lady, you know, man, understand what you're saying. Now, just meet me up on the journey. You see me? You can see it, you know.
Yeah.
It come with a dance, make me help my family and I help my youth and everything.
to
So
believe
we just
in
believe in it. I
Believe,
just
man.
know say it's going to happen. You know what I mean?
Faith, man.
Yeah, man. Blessings, man.
Jehovah's. No, it's really, this is an interesting conversation to have with the two of you guys, where you're seeing two completely different generations that can
man.
still link and do the do, you know.
Yeah. No, it real.
Yeah, man.
And it's, because them nowadays generation and them in them feelings and them things. So if me can just say the boys as a man out there and put in the work long time, and me and him have a mutual respect.
Yeah, man.
Because he never ask him, he never can say my word go above female. No. If him have a problem, I say, boys, don't slow it down, but no, boys, listen me first in a boys.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Me and boys can't go some boys. I say, no, boys, wait, make you talk first, boys, then me talk. So that drive them,
To me, as a legend, me just believe in the youth them once you have something positive, progressive. And me as a youth, respect go both ways. I don't think a youth will just respect me and me I respect him back. So every youth will come be a part of the dancehall, show me the respect, and me show them back the respect. Me not gonna be like, me know more than them, but me not gonna do that. And that not gonna make no sense.
Yeah.
So me try to keep everybody on a level as me. You see me? So the respect me, try to show them. And that's all I need back from all of them. Just the same thing.
Yeah.
Everything I heard.
Yeah. I got two more before we get out of here, because I know you guys are heading to the airport. This was just a quick pass through. Artist-wise, I know you guys work with a lot of artists. You guys do a lot of visuals. I've seen you with Anthony B. Holy put up. What are the top 3 artists that you guys have worked with, or you guys want to work with, or you guys are doing stuff with right now?
You want to answer that first?
No, you can answer, boys.
No, everybody, whoever wants to go
Yeah,
first.
all right. No. Me work with a whole heap of artists, you know. You see me? I mean, I really have nothing bad with an artist and nothing. You get me? Because me as a man, me just be real and tell an artist what I want. You understand? Me as a man, you just tell him, say, Father, listen to me, I say, no. Respect, say, you can give me 120 grand or 130 grand, but just give me a look for me, can help my family. You understand what I say? Because the moment you can give me a look now for me, you give me a visa, you give me something, me can do my thing. You understand what I say? So,
just give you the
from Lali, what again? Kipridge. Me have good vibes with artists. I want them to do the video with Masicka, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Bosie. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You see me? I'm still a Bogle, me represent said way. You understand? So I just blessing upon blessing, and I understand. And I ask boys every time if nothing come with Bogle, I'm reach out to him.
Yeah.
Because if him not pass it can't pass, you know. You understand what I say? Yeah. So I just dry. You get me what I say? Yeah. And I eat, man.
How about you, boys?
Yo, me can't pick side, no artist.
It's not even picking side. It's just you have a good chemistry or a good
You have a good chemistry with Elephant Man.
Mm-hmm.
Believe me, because Eliza man invite me at Christmas dinner.
Yeah, man.
Christmas
Duke
day.
school.
The father for the year for dinner and everything there. So me have a band with Elephant Man different than everybody else. Nitty Kochi General B, same way. Me have a band with them because me is a old school, so I'm more connect with the old school artists them. You understand? So killer unpredictably. You can't. You don't know.
Yeah, man.
Yo, me have to just love it generally.
Yeah, man.
I'm just gonna heal him and just know say continue to heal him because man unpredictably, you know, brother. So yeah, man, they can't.
Got good vibes with artists, man. You know
Masicka now, we enjoy performing with Masicka in some fest, and Masicka always show the respect and the love to his same way. So big him up same way.
Yeah, man.
And vice mail him all the way and daily ranks.
High
so if we start calling him an artist.
I mean, I have bad vibes, and I mean, I every artist from respect.
Yeah,
so
man,
we just have to just know, say,
every artist.
we just want them know, say, see, dancer play a big part in a dancer.
In career also.
You understand what I say? I just want to just give them one chance. Because sometimes you get one chance, him just don't want that look there, you know. Because sometimes you put in the work and feel like, say, him nah get paid. Him just a work, so. And sometimes he just say, I go throw in the give up towel, you know. And I see the moment when him show the towel at the end, and the next year I go bust, you know.
That's how I know you know what you're talking about.
Yes, so. Because I go treat, you know. Remember I go treat, you know. I never blame nobody for my journey, you know. All them Skeng and Boysie them come round back me and motivate me back and make me be strong. You understand? Remember when I make touch, you know. Me have the hottest dancer Jamaican runway, you know. A madman alone with them something there, you know. What? Me have the hottest dance in Jamaica and go high.
Man have disappeared at the dance scene and have the hottest dance. What kind of
yeah, because why I'm really certain, me never used to certain things. Me never used to like say, me not used to hypeness and them something there. So it's like, me I run the place, No money now make my mother feel like me I make money, me I wear back the one shoes them. Because you understand what me I say?
It feels weird.
Jungle when I come from feel like me I make a bag of money when the money now make. So me I say, no, me not gonna live with this, you know, me not sell nobody in a dream, you know. But and next year I come out back and see me now.
Yeah.
I eat it, all of this me I reap now. For the year of my runway. So that's blessings. Yeah.
What are you thinking? Listen, Boysie, you just tell me that you wrote a book, all right? What was the book called?
The Inside of Black Roses.
Okay, interesting title because listen, you're like the last of the Mohicans right now, boss.
Yeah.
01, Willy Haggart dropout. 05, Bogle dropout. 08, Ice dropout. You understand? And this is 3 big columns in dancehall, boss. You understand?
Ice, I forget a little drama about Ice. 2004, we got the U.S. Embassy. First time the whole way I pick up a work permit. 2004, we got the embassy, and then when we get in the embassy, it was 8 away. Venus Sound and Bogle crew. So Venus Sound did have Pitiless, Jam Rock youth them, you know, Agatha and one of them. So them get for them visa and come out. So when it come to our time now, we do the interview, and the interview, Bogle supposed to go through the door and gone, him not gone, him still stand up there, answer all of the questions them I ask we, him give you the answer them from there. Anyway, them call him back the whole away and say, yo, all I want have to come and dance, because we don't know if you're not really a dancer. So them say them don't know if you're really a dancer, so we have to go dance. So me I say, what is? Right. So me get up and start clap bunks, do this summer bunks. Brother, me, Bogle and Bogle best friend Blackashine, the man a dancer, you know. So me, Bogle, Blackashine and Ice was in there. 3 dancer and 1 non-dancer. But him shines, him start summer, winter, spring bunks. Him have to find some bunks, you know, you see this. So anyway, I sit down and watch it while we are dancing, you know, bro. So Ice just get up and just move with. And Ice have a dance where I'm signature where him go up on him knee. And just a spin go so. Brother, the way the man spin and get up and freeze on him 2 point. Yeah. Visa. The man, the man just make visa run through the window. So, cause the immigration them, they were like, yo, that's amazing. Yeah. That's awesome, yo. Oh my God, America needs you guys.
I seen Ice do that dance on the roadside.
Yeah, man, beach.
Listen,
all that beach, fun, sand.
This man's great, boss.
Yeah, man.
Bro.
That is man's signature, brother. And that dance, if we didn't make it by doing the interview talking, what he did, brother, what the man do, man.
That sealed the deal.
That sealed the whole deal, everything. Man, yo, me tell you, the people must give it. This is the old-time embassy. We did go in Jamaica, you know. They might give us the blue paper, them like, wow. Like, them even give it to Ice, and Ice have a red flag at his name. So when them cause them turn over the desktop, you know, everything, you know. So when them upload by the desktop, the red flag is on Mr. Smith. They were mad for calling back and said, yo, why you do this to yourself? So 2 times we on Ice, tried the US visa, and the last time him get turned on, and that's the last time him passed away. Yeah.
Because he was up here for a while too, you know. I know
man, the man Bogle was here.
I know Bogle too.
Yeah, man, the man Bogle was here, man. Man, Bogle was here. I actually tell you, say, Bogle, bring him here. For that performance with both of them. And he might also do some little stupid thing here, why Bogle have end up leave. Cut left him.
Listen, as I said, I know Ice, bro, from up here. I know Bogle from up here. So whatever you're saying, I know. You understand?
That's a foundation,
yeah,
man.
I know.
2-line music out.
You understand?
Yeah.
You got 3-line.
Yeah.
So even with this book here now, as I said, 01 was Willy passed. 05 was Bogle passed. 08 Ice passed. Where were you with all 3 of these situations here?
I was there. I was actually on the block when Willy was dying. And I was at the wedding with Bogle, but I was not at a gas station when he died. And I was at the last party with Ice before him died. So when everybody had died, it's just Willy I was on the location when he was dying. But Bogle and Ice, I wasn't there. You understand? And believe me, I was there throughout all of these people. Remember, you know, Bogle is the first person who take me into Black Roses and have me as a pelper. You see me? And because Black Roses is a thing where split in 2, we have helper and pelper, which is Willy a helper and Bogle a pelper. So Bogle take me in as a young youth and embrace me to the world, embrace me and show me things. And then Bogle is a man that travel out of the country, so Bogle travel and leave Jamaica for a while. And here comes Willy. We're up on the corner, Bogle corner. Here comes Willy. Soldier come and we go dance. And when Bogle come back, they tell Bogle, so me switch me over Willy's side and everything there. And doing a part with Willy and everything, that's okay, but Willy part and not my part. We have to end up going over Bogle back. Willy part and not my part.
Man, boys.
We have to end up going over Bogle side. Believe me, because Bogle side come with the happiness, the joy, the love. Over Willy, I forgot to turn gangster.
And that's not what you signed up for.
That is not what I signed up for.
Yeah. Listen, Tracy was just showing me time. I know it's time. We got to go.
Yeah.
But before we go, leave some contact information where they want to book you guys. If there's anybody you want to big up. Anything you guys want to say right now, the floor is yours before we get out
You know
of
the
here.
vibes. When you want to link up Patas King, you don't know the thing. Go. Said we can link up Tracy, right?
For you, Canada.
For Canada. You can link up Frankie Music and Richard Royal Production.
For the world.
You see me? For the work, you know what I mean? So, it's blessing.
Give them your IG and everything.
Patas King. You know what I mean?
Pata.skeng.
Skeng, yeah, definitely. So, you know the vibes, Canada. You gotta see we again.
Yes.
You don't know. I like Ronia.
Definitely.
I gotta buy a house Ronia, you know. Yeah, I like the vibes, and you don't know the thing, but you like it good.
Good.
It good. And you don't
Yeah,
know.
man, for me, you can link up Tracy for Canada, 4-hour entertainment for the bookings to Canada, and for the world, you have to just DM Boysie.
Yeah.
So you have to DM Boysie, the legend Boysie Roses, the legend Boysie Roses on IG, Boysie Roses on TikTok, and Lansdale guy on Facebook, right name on Facebook, and yeah, pretty much that's my thing. And before I go, I have to tell you guys, it's nice to be important. What is more important to be nice?
And I am a promise. I am a possibility. I am a promise. Promise
with the
capital.
I am a great, great bungalow. And century. Yo! And that type of performance on Elephant Man show. That song.
I will have to big up Elephant Man.
Every time.
Blessing pan blessing.
Every time.
Big up the dopes.
Ninja
Kid, my friend. Ninja Kid. All right.
Nah, man, definitely big up Tracy Ford Entertainment
Yeah,
for
man,
actually
Tracy,
making it
man.
happen. You know what I mean? You guys are heading out to the airport. Thank you
man.
guys for stopping by.
Yeah.
When you guys are back in the place, we'll sit down some more because there's so
man,
much
remember
more
my
to
history.
cover.
I've done it.
Yeah.
And it's built every day also.
No, Mr. Say, I don't want to stop though. Mr. Say, I don't want to stop.
Yo,
Yeah, man.
2 line, music hot.
Yeah.
Big up yourself and thanks for having us. Believe me, it's a pleasure.
Man.
And at my time I'm in Canada, I have to find you.
Definitely.
I see that talk, yeah? My boss, he bad. My boss, yeah, boys, when I say my boss, boys start laugh.
Let me give you an outro and get you out of here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out.
Yeah.
Out.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.